back to my channel and a happy new year to you all. So today I'll be showing you how I achieve this look, and this is my model, this is my muse, my client. So let's get straight into the video, but before then, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. So first off, we're starting with the hair. It's a makeup and hair transformation. So all I'm doing is binding up the hair. For hair tutorials, I have them on my channel, so I'm just going to leave the link down below. So all I'm doing now is plating the hair down, and then in this video I'll be displaying on the screen majority of the products used. So next I'll be getting my petal styling gel, and with a brush I'll be using that to slick her hair down. The hair is sleek as you all can see. So next I'll be taking my tail comb and my hair wax, and I'll be using that to lay her edges. So next I'll be taking my above hair mousse, and I'll be applying that on her hair like a foamy substance to make the hair sleek, and then I'll be taking the bandana, you can use a scarf or anything, to make the hair slick down properly. So next is the makeup transformation. Using my classic lash glue and a spoolie, I'll be using that to brush the hair into place, and then I'll be going in with my S-Pond setting powder to set everything, the brows you get. Then using my Davis pencil in shade 018, I'll be using that to outline and fill in her brows. So next I'll be using my flat angled brush from Elf Cosmetics, and I'll be using that to conceal her brows and then blending it out. Then next I'm taking my Adventure concealer, and I'll be applying that to her eyelid, and a Real Technique brush, I'll be using that to buff everything out. I'm doing the same to the other eyelid. So taking my masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, I'll be using the highlighter shade on the eyelid to set the concealer in place, and also I'll be blending it out. And then next I'm taking a powder shade, an orange tint powder shade, and applying it to the mini crease. So all I'm doing right now is repeating the same process to the other eyelid, the dark brown shade with the powder shade, and then blending it out properly, and that's just it. Next I'm applying the glitter glue, and I'll be applying the silver shade and orange shade from the glitters displayed. I'll be applying that on the glue line. So next I'll be taking my spoolie, and I'll be using that to brush off the excess glitters fallout on my lash, and then I'll be using mascara to run over it. So all I did was to repeat the same process to the other eye, and we are done with the eye look. I'm just popping on some lash. Then we're going to my favorite, my absolute favorite, the skin walk. So I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte primer, and I'm just applying that all over the face. I will recommend this primer to you, like in case you need a primer. It's a really good one, it's very effective, and I don't know, it's like multiple coverage, covers a lot. Its coverage is really nice, it's really good. It's like it works, it does what you need it to do. So I'll be taking off the bandana because the hair should be slicked enough, and I need the foundation to be full coverage. So taking my Lady V Beauty foundation, my baby cosmetics foundation, I'll be applying that, mixing both of them together and applying that on the skin. I'm using a beauty sponge, as you can see, to blend it out properly because I feel it does a lot of work better than brush. Then I'm taking my black opal stick foundation, and I'll be using that to contour the whole face. I'm using the shade Beautiful Bronze. So next I'll be taking my Real Technique brush, and with the ZK's Second Skin concealer, I'll be applying that beneath her eyes, following the use of the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. And then I'll be taking my beauty sponge again, I'll be blending it all out. So my motto when it comes to this makeup thing is to blend, like take your time and blend, like blend and blend and blend till you get your perfect blend. So taking my black opaque foundation, I'll be contouring the nose, and then I'll be taking this Melanin Minerals compact powder, and I'll be using that to set the whole face. So I know it all looks scary the way it's all powdery and everything, but trust me, it's going to come out pretty. So taking my Beyond Beauty powder palette, I'll be using that shade Ebony. I'll be using that to blend out the face after contouring. Then I'm setting the face with the Carrot Prep and Prime. It's already looking good, Then I'm going back over to bake the face with my S-Pond translucent powder. So I'll be using my beauty blender, to dab it in, like it's like pressing it in as I'm baking it and everything. So keep watching, guys. So taking a powder shade from the powder palette, I'm just using that to contour the sides of her nose. So once I was done with this, I applied the blush to her cheekbones, and then I went ahead to dust off the excess powder from baking the whole face. And as you can see, it's looking good. Yeah, it is looking good. So I just applied that underneath of her eyes and everything, and then I proceeded to dust out the fallout. So we want the eyes to pop and all, so I decided to apply a mascara to the down lash. Obviously you're supposed to do that, and then I sprayed again. Yes, the same setting spray. I sprayed again, and then taking my CP deep bronzer, it's a loose highlighter, I applied that to everywhere you can see the cheekbones, a chin, where you need to. Yeah. Once again, I went into spray. Yes, I sprayed again. So taking this Blossom Cosmetics lip palette, I said to use red. She wanted red, and I also thought red would also be a good color. So I decided to go in with red because there's no rule saying a dark skin cannot rock red. We rock every color. So I just highlighted the lip sides and everything, and I sprayed again. Yes, I sprayed again. So you all, back to the hair transformation. It's going to be a ponytail using braiding hair, and I have a tutorial about that. I just wrapped everything up neatly, rounding up everything, and yep, we are done with this video. This is the final look. This is the beauty of everything, like the final look. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I did. Thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You know the vibes, man. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.